You ever clean your car and somehow made it look worse? Smudged screens, streaky glass, lint everywhere, and pet hair that refuses to leave? Today we are decoding interior detailing using 4 simple tools that actually make a difference. Most people think their car looks clean, but under the sunlight, it's a completely different story. Detailing is not about using more products. It's about cleaning with precision and using the right material on the right surface. This is what sets car detailing apart. Using paper towels on glass, streaks. Using rough cloths on screens, scratches. Using a vacuum alone for pet hair, good luck. Today we'll cover 4 underrated detailing essentials that will make your car look clean without expensive equipment. Microfiber towels, glass weave glass cleaning towels, Suede electronic screen cleaner, and pet hair removal tool. First up, the backbone of interior detailing, all-purpose microfiber cleaning towels. These aren't just regular cloths. Microfiber towels are designed with ultrafine fibers that trap dust, oils, and dirt instead of pushing them around. Use these on dashboards, steering wheels, center consoles, door panels, cup holders, basically every hard interior surface. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Use dry for dusting, slightly damp for grime, fold into quarters for efficiency, and use separate towels for dirty areas. 1 towel can become 8 clean wiping surfaces if used correctly. And here's a pro tip. Always keep 1 towel dedicated to high-touch areas like the steering wheel and gear shifter. Those surfaces collect the most oils and bacteria. The reason why professional detailers love microfiber towels is that they don't scratch delicate interior surfaces. If you have a dog or cat, you know that a vacuum cleaner alone doesn't cut it. Pet hair weaves itself deeply into the carpet fibers and upholstery. This is where a pet hair removal tool changes everything. Instead of suction, these tools create friction that pulls embedded hair out of the fabric surfaces. The trick is short, controlled strokes in one direction. You'll be shocked how much hair your vacuum completely missed. Just avoid aggressive scrubbing on delicate leather or soft trim materials. Modern interior car consoles are basically giant tablets now, and the biggest mistake that you can make is use household products on these screens. Many of these screens have anti-glare and anti-fingerprint coatings that can be permanently damaged by these products. Enter the Suede electronic screen cleaner. A Suede electronic screen cleaner is specifically designed for glossy surfaces. It lifts fingerprints, dust, and smudges without scratching or leaving lint behind. When the screen is off, it's easier to see smudges and avoid overcleaning. And honestly, a clean infotainment display instantly makes the entire car feel newer. Now let's talk about the part that most people notice while driving, the glass. Dirty windows isn't just ugly, it creates glare, haze, and reduced visibility. Regular towels leave lint and streaks behind because they are not designed for glass. This is why you can use our glass weave glass cleaning towels that is specifically designed to leave those windows crystal clear. Here's a detailing trick professionals use. Wipe horizontally on the inside and vertically on the outside. That way, if you see streaks later, you will instantly know which side needs fixing. Now let's put it all together. Here is the basic workflow that professionals use for interior detailing. Remove trash, dust with microfiber towels, remove pet hair, clean screens carefully, and finish with glass towels. Simple order, better results. Notice how we're not using 10 different chemicals or expensive tools. Interior detailing is about using specialized tools on specific surfaces. And that's interior car detailing decoded with just 4 smart tools: our microfiber towels, pet hair removal, glass weave glass cleaning towels, and Suede electronic screen cleaners. You can completely transform your car's interiors. Cleaner surfaces, better visibility, less frustration. And honestly, driving a clean car feels way better. And remember, to get professional level results, it comes down to technique, not just using expensive product. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in these amazing detailing products, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you would like to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.